recommend for no heights to learn from Rabbi Lev Lerner. I recommend everybody to learn from Rabbi Lev Lerner. He's a fantastic Talmid Chacham, Tzaddik, Yirei Shamayim. He's part of the Beezrat Hashem organization. He's somebody that's very, very dedicated to Hashem, to teaching Torah. He helps people beyond what people's realize, and he's just an amazing tzaddik. I think extremely highly of him, and Baruch Hashem, we're big fans. We're big fans. So anybody that could learn, sure, it's a big zechut. It's a big zechut. And he has lectures covering so many different topics, halacha, ashkafa, different things. So certainly.